No, it is clear, no. N- No, it is showing clearly. 9 subtract 9.784 from 11.6. Now no comment. We have to start. Subtract 9.784 from 11.6. So from 11.6 we write first 11.6, then subtract means minus sign 9.784. Now we have to check whether these are like decimal or not. So after point, the number of digits should be same. This is 1 digit after point, this is 3 digit after point. So first we convert them into like decimal. So this we write 11.600 minus 9.784. 9.784. Now are they like decimal? Yes. Tell me, they are like decimal. After point there are 3 digits, after point 3 digits. So they are like decimal. Now we subtract this. 11.600 minus, subtract minus 9.784. 9.784. Let us subtract them. First it is 0 and 4. 0 is smaller than 4. So 1 is carried. So when 1 is carried, this becomes 10 and this becomes 9. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Yes. Yes, speak. What happened? 9 minus 8. Yes. Now it is clear. Right. 9 minus 8. Now what I can do? Unless and until there is request, I cannot admit. So tell her to send the request for him to. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then 1 is carried because it was 0. So this 6 become 5. 6 become 5, then 1 is carried. 5 is smaller than 7. So 1 is carried, it become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then point. Now 1 was carried. 1 was carried, so this becomes 0. Now 0 is smaller than 9. So 1 is carried, it becomes 10. And 1 becomes 0. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Because 1 was carried, so in place of 1 it will be 0. So 0, 1.816. 0, 1 is same as 1 point. No. 0, see. 0, 1 is same as 1. 0, 1 is same as 1. So 1.816. Is it clear? Yes. So answer is 1.816 is the answer. Now, yes. Now D I am planning to give homework. D is subtract 84.06 from 90. From 90 you have to subtract from 84.06 from 90 you have to subtract 84.06. From 90 you have to subtract 84.06. Yes. So now take this as homework. Let us do the fourth one. Simplify. D is homework. Then next fourth one is simplify. No. See, 90 is whole. 90 you will write 90.00. 90.00 because there are two digits. 90.00 you will write. You will not write 90. 9.0. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. A. Simplify the following. A. 63.7 plus 57.68 then minus 508 minus 6.07 63.7 plus 57.68 minus 36.508 minus 6.07. You have to simplify. In this, you have to add and subtract both. Yes. First, you have to convert them into like decimal. Always before addition and subtraction, whichever number is given, you have to first convert them into like decimals. Like decimals means after point the number of digits should be same. Yes, write it. D1, see, D1 will be 90, you will write 90.00. 90.00 minus 84.06, you subtract. So, you always remember in addition or subtraction, first, see, no, see here, no, you listen to me first. Whichever is homework, don't immediately discuss. You try to solve after this period. If there is doubt, you can ask the doubt in the next period. Don't ask right now. 63.7. Let us check whether they are like decimal after point 1 digit, after point 2 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 2 digit. So the maximum number of digit is 3. So after point we make all the number with 3 digit. So this is 1 digit. So this I will write 63.700 plus 57.680. Yes, 680 minus 36.508 then minus 6.070. Now we check whether they are like decimal or not. After point 3 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit. So they are like decimal. So let us solve step by step. First I will solve these two. Between them what we have plus sign. So first I will write down these two. 63.700 then plus, we write plus sign, 57.680. So plus sign means you have to add. First you have to solve these two. So plus sign means you have to add. So 0 plus 0, yes, 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 is carried to this. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. Then 1 is again carried. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 121.380. 121.380. Is it clear? Now, this is my first step. This we write first step. So in first step, I have simplified these two. Now whatever is total of these two, from that total I have to subtract 63.700, 11. 1 was carried further, no? Now from total of these two, total of these two, I have to subtract. Minus means subtract this. So total of these two is 121.380. 121.380. Total of these two. Now I have to subtract this. 36 point minus. No, 36.508. 36.508 you have to subtract. And this will be my second step. This will be my second step. First step, in first step I will add these two. Then whatever is the total, from that total I will subtract 36.508. That is my second step. Subtract all of you. Chalo. Subtract. Let me see. 121.380 minus 36.508. So subtract this. This is 10. This is 0, 8. 0 is smaller. So 1 is carried. This becomes 10. Then 1 is carried. This becomes 7. This becomes 7. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 1 was carried. So 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 0, 7. Then this is 3. And this is 5. 3 is smaller than 5. So 1 I will carry it. So 3 becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. And 1 becomes 0. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8 point. Now it is, wait, it is 0 and it is 6. So 1 will be carried. 1 will be carried. So 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10 and 2 become 1. Just remember, 2 become 1. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 6 is 4. And now 1 and 3. 1 is smaller than 3. So 1 will be carried. Are you getting? So it becomes 11. It becomes 11 and 1 becomes 0. 11 minus 3 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. And 0 minus 0 is 0. 084.872. So 0. So this is my total. Wait, my dear. Where it is blood? Yes, it is very much clear. No. Very much clear. Very much clear. Do not ask. So now, see, my dear, it is very much clear. No, we are able to see. No, we are able to see. It is very much clear. No, it is very much clear. Now, from total of these two, we have subtracted this. 084. 084 is same as 84. So I will write 84.872. Now last is, from this I have to subtract. Minus means I have to subtract. So from these two answer I have to subtract this. So minus 6.070. And this is my third step. So let us subtract from, see, first we have added these two, we get this total. Then from this total I will subtract this, we get this number. From this number I have to subtract last one, 6.070. So subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 7 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Wait. Then 4. 6 smaller. So this becomes 1 is carried 14. And this 8 becomes 7. So 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. And then 7 minus 0 is 7. 78.0. We write 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 0, 7, 78.802. हाँ So answer is finally 78.802. 78.802 is the answer, final answer. So you have to solve this step by step. First, no, I will do. Step by step you have to solve. Yes, first you have to add these two. This is my first step. Whatever is total, from that total I will subtract this, that is my second step. Then whatever number we get, from that we subtract this, that is my third step. Yes, that is my third step. Yes. Yes. No. I have to do this. I have to do the B part. We have to do the B part because B part is slightly different. B part is slightly different. B. See here, board is very much clear now, right? Now it is clear. Yes, mute the microphone. Now mute the microphone. B 57.2 minus 203 0.846. No, nothing should be asked. No, nothing. Plus 32 point, sorry, 328.97. 328. 1 minute. Yes, let me write B this. Yes. चलो ठीक है. Do not worry. Let me write. Yes. B part. 1 minute. Wait. Yes. Right. No, now it is clear, right? Yes. Now B. B 57.2. Let me write B. 57.2 minus 203.846. 203.846. Two. Very much clear, right? 328.97 minus 48.8. 48.8. You have to understand this. B is slightly different. 57.2. Yes, very much clear, right? 57.2 minus 203.846 plus 328.97 plus. Let us check whether they are like decimal. So after 0.1 digit, after 0.3 digit, after 0.2 digit, after 0.1 digit. So first you convert them into like decimal. So that will be 57.2. So maximum number of digit is 3. So 200 minus 203.846 plus 328.970. We want after point 3 digit. Minus 48.800. Now we check whether they are like decimal or not. So after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit, after point 3 digit. Yes, so they are like decimal. They are like decimal. Now we have to solve them. See, now which number, what is first two? Tell me. First two I have to subtract. Yes. Now see here. 1 minute. 1 minute, my dear. Wait. 1 minute. See this 57. See the whole part of this. This 57 and 203. Which number is bigger? 203 is bigger. Yes, 203 is bigger. What is sign of that? Minus. So your answer will be minus sign because 203 is bigger. So what I will suggest you, first you add the number. First you add the number. Wait. Yes. No. First you add the number. First you add the number with. First you add the number with plus sign. What is sign of 57? What is sign of 57? Plus. Then is there is any other number with plus sign? Yes, 328. 328 is having plus sign. So first I will add these two. First I will add plus number. First I will add plus number. Yes. No. See 57 and 203. 203 is bigger. So minus sign will come. To avoid that minus sign, what I will do, first I will add the number. Yes, first I will add the number who are having plus sign. So 57 is having plus sign, 328 is having plus sign. So first I will add these two numbers. So first it is 57.200. First I will add the number. Then which number is having other number plus sign? 328. So I will write plus 328.970. Yes. First you add the number with plus sign. Yes. First you add the number with plus sign. Plus sign we add. So now let us add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7, 2 plus 9 is 11, then 1 is carried to this, then 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, then again 1 is carried, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, then 3 plus 0, 386.170. First you add the number with plus sign. Yes, very much clear, right? First you add the number with plus sign. These two are having plus sign, 57 and 328. First I will add them. And this is my first step. Then which numbers are left? Yes, which number are left? Tell me. 57 and 328 we have added. Now it is minus 203. So from total of first step it is plus, no? There is no request. Now, yes. Now wait. We have added these two. Now from total of these two, I will subtract this 203. So next step 386.170 minus 203. First step is plus 57 plus 328 we have added. Now I will subtract these two total. 203.846. 203.846. We subtract because it is minus sign. So it is 0, 1 is carried, it becomes 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 1 is there and 8. 1 is smaller than 8. So 1 is carried. This 6 become 5. 6 become 5 and 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 182.324. This is my second step. This is my second step. So whichever number are plus, yes, all of you are able to hear me properly?